Hey traders, the wait is finally over. I'm thrilled to announce that Philakone's course version 3.0, Mastering the Day Trading Markets, is finally here. This isn't just another course. This is the ultimate trading journey that will take your skills to the next level, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your expertise. In this course, you'll gain access to the most powerful strategies I've developed over 9 years. Strategies that are simple to understand but tough to master. We focus on 3 core setups that have the highest probability of success, but mastering them will require discipline, patience, and a rock-solid mindset. I dive deep into the psychological and mental aspects of trading because, let's be honest, every trader struggles with these. I'll teach you how to manage risk effectively, preserve your capital, and avoid the common pitfalls that every trader faces. But that's not all. When you join, you also get access to the elite Discord membership if you would like to choose that option. You get a lifetime access to an exclusive community of traders just like you. This is where the real magic happens. You'll get advanced lesson materials, higher engagement, and direct access to me and other experienced traders. There are 2 packages available: the full course plus the elite Discord membership. This is where you get everything you need to become a professional. Or you can go with the standalone course by itself. Either way, you're investing in your future as a successful day trader. Don't miss out on your chance to level up your trading game, master the markets, and join a community that's as passionate about trading as you are. Let me give you a teaser of everything that you're going to get in this course and show you the course contents. So definitely have a look at the website that I designed to give you all of the information that you would be curious about. If you scroll down over here, you're going to see the list material of all of the course contents. Now, this course is going to be about 19 hours long and 51 lesson videos altogether. It's designed to teach you from a very beginner level and especially get you all the way up to the expertise level there as well. We start off with the Introduction to Trading, Chapter 1, where this is a very heavy topic because I deal with a lot of the psychological issues and the characteristics that will make up a successful trader. I make sure that you guys understand the mental game and what's necessary to become a successful trader. These are the things that not many people will talk about or try to teach you in depth. So I took a step back and I analyzed deeply what every trader is facing and what struggles they have. And I decided to focus on this type of content to ensure that you can overcome these hurdles. And then chapter 2 has to do with setting up TradingView and just the basic essential indicators that we're going to use. And then chapter 3, we get into mastering the technical indicators, where you're going to learn everything that I know, from volume to the importance of timeframes to candlestick analysis and price action to my secret indicator to my chandelier exit indicator to Elliott wave theory in depth. And you're going to learn a lot about patterns and concepts as well. Now, this is a very intensive course that you'll be taking. It completely replaces every single course that I've ever made before, and this is the culmination of literally 9 years of experience. When you take this course, I guarantee you're going to come out feeling extremely confident. And then chapter 4 is going to talk about the best methods to hunt for a trade. I'll show you the rest of it here. So chapter 5 will talk about the ultimate 3 strategies to enter a trade. You'll learn everything that I've developed over 9 years. And then chapter 6 will involve how to exit the trades and maximize profits. So if you think about these 3 chapters, chapter 4 has to do with how do you find the trade? What are the best methods to find the trade? And then once you've found the trade, we jump into chapter 5. You've now found the trade. How do you actually enter the trade? What are the best strategies to use? How to avoid getting bull traps? How to have the best possible setups? And then once you've entered the trade, chapter 6 will talk about how to exit the trade and maximize your profits. And then chapter 7, you'll see some words of wisdoms and parting advice. In chapter 8, you're going to get about 6 or 7 live trades of mine where I'm trading positions in the hundreds of thousands. You're going to see me execute these trades thoroughly. So this is going to take you about 19 hours to finish the entire course from the beginning till the end. And I would give it a good 2 to 4 weeks to finish the course. And make sure that you're also using a paper and a pen and taking notes. It wouldn't be good if you went to a university or college and attended a lecture and you didn't actually take any notes at all. So the work that you put into this course will be directly proportional to the same type of experience you receive back from the market. So I look forward to seeing a lot of you in this course. I know it's going to benefit you immensely, and by the time you finish this course, you're going to gain a new profound set of skills, and I can't wait to see how it's going to elevate your trading game. I'll see you in the course and in the Elite Discord group. See you there. Bye now.